Welcome to Waterloo, welcome to Shopify Plus, and welcome to ETHWaterloo. Today, we are here in the Seagram's Whiskey Distillery, which is now known as Shopify Plus.
We agreed early on that forks will keep us honest on the Ethereum project, and they enable others to explore different paths forward, to interact with decentralized applications and soon just normal applications.
Cryptography is a magical world where even individuals are capable of giving themselves enough security to defend even against certain kinds of nation-state actors.
This is one model where the economy is one part of it, society is bigger than the economy, environment is even bigger than society, and we're all living in this sort of set of interwoven relationships.
2 years ago, 80% of the activity in the ecosystem was Bitcoin. Today, next door, there are close to 400 developers here. That means for every one developer, there are 125 others somewhere in the world that know or are playing or working with and touching the Ethereum technology. Today, Ethereum is 4 years old, and its market cap is $30 billion. That gives you a relative sense as to how much quicker the Ethereum technology is propagating into our world, into our society, into our government, into our business, into our lives. Back to Vitalik. I want to talk about Ethereum and the society.
WebAssembly is an effort that was started by Martin Bexey, and there's some other developers working on it too, that basically tries to take WebAssembly, which is an existing project that tries to make a standardized VM for virtual machine for browsers. And this is definitely an interesting effort, and there are quite a few people that support the Ethereum virtual machine eventually either just becoming WebAssembly or using WebAssembly as an interpreter for it.
If I look at the way that my 10-year-old is learning, coding, starting with Scratch, which is a software that was developed by MIT, and it's kind of a plug-and-play, drag-and-drop, sort of a modular way of learning how to do things, and then you can become more sophisticated from there.
One of the revolutions of this technology is that if you want to put the work into it, if you're savvy enough, you can get into that bank. 3 of the top 10 all-time money-winning players are helping us build the system.